Alright guys, changing a bulb on a 2000 Chevy here, Malibu. And let me just show you guys so you guys know the car that I have. This is an 11 model, 2011. And it's a disaster to change a bulb on this car. So make sure you get a good bulb. We are putting this H11. Okay, the customer went and got me this. And 14 bucks. But to take this off, you have to take off that cover, which has a whole bunch of tents and the clips here. Got them all sitting over here. You see that? And then you're gonna pop here bumper, and you're gonna take off 3 clips here. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna have a 10mm going right through here. So you're gonna reach with the extension right here. This is what this look like. Number 10 right here. And then you got a bolt on the headlight, and you got another bolt over here on the headlight. After that, you just pull it forward, and then you're gonna have access to this little guy. So let's turn this guy. All you do is turn it counterclockwise, and we got our bulb. Okay, so we're gonna try to get these ears, these connector ears. So I'm gonna get that bulb out of there. Okay, got the new bulb on. So all you do is you yank on the ear lobes here. Make sure you don't touch the bulb, and then you're gonna put this bulb in, and you're gonna simply twist it. And now, before we close everything back, test it. Okay, should come on. There you go. Shut that off. So to put this guy back in, you're gonna have to align everything perfectly evenly. I don't know what Chevy was thinking designing this guy, but anyways, that's how we took it apart. And then once it's complete, so pretty much there's a screw here, there's a bolt here, right over here, and there's a bolt on the side here on the headlight, and then you just yank forward really hard, okay, and it comes off. Even after taking off the 2 bolts, it did not want it to budge, but you do have to force it, so, and it will come forward and drop down. That's how simple it is, but it's not easy, and it's probably gonna be good, like $90 labor if you go to a mechanic. So why not do it yourself? So once you take off the 2 bolts, like I said, there's one right there. You see it right there. There's one bolt right there, and I got the second one over here. After that, what I did was I put my fork right behind this, that little fork tool right there, flathead screwdriver or something, and just push it forward, and the light will come forward and fall down. Anyways, to get this guy off, all you have to do is yank it up. Now we're gonna put it all back together. It's gonna be a little bit tough with one hand. That's how simple it is. So take it off, you just grab it right here and pull it out. Same thing over here. Make sure everything is aligned, and after that, bada bing, bada boom. So all I need to do is put this bolt right down here, inside here. You just pull this forward, and put the clips back in. There's 3 clips, one is down there, and then you have this little guy. This little guy goes right here. Okay, and on this you have a whole bunch of number 10s. So many number 10s that the engine itself doesn't have that many holding it down. Anyways, and a few clips, 1, 2 clip here, and the rest of them are screw, and bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully I was able to save you guys some money.